am Linda Armstrong. I'm the heart behind Armstrong's Creatives, where I transform spaces and souls. It's all about bringing in new energy to, say, the furniture, older pieces of furniture, just revamping them, bringing in color, texture, whatever my creativity, my inspiration tells me to do, just kind of do it and transform that so that when you bring that into your home, it brings that same energy and it transforms the space that way. Because I'm sure you know, every time you bring in a new piece of furniture or you change things around, the energy around you feels different. So that's what I love doing, like really bringing more light to the space and also to your soul, right? With energy healing, releasing the energy that holds you back from just being that bright light that you are, right? So that you can, manifest the things you want in life. Just live free, live joyfully, live healthy, right? Really just shifting the energy that is blocking you and preventing you from being all that you could be, right? From feeling good each and every day. That's what I do here. It's all about creating more love and joy for your outer space and your inner space, because of course the two work together. So anyway, I hope you enjoy some of the pieces I have here on my website, and check out the healing page. I would love to work with you and just help you to really hold more light, be that light that you are.